Okay, please go ahead. Thank you.
So remember, the outlook piece that we put out in November, we talked about a boom bust cycle. So this was the original note
Mm,
where we thought, there was a greater probability for markets to accelerate higher in at least the first half of 2026, with
mm.
the risks growing in the end of the second quarter and third quarter, right?
Oh,
So
wow. Mm,
that'd be our base case. But where we start this year is with the boom, right? We accelerating higher, particularly in the North Asian markets, commodities. As far as the Nasdaq goes, what you see here is this triangle consolidation, and we're on the verge of breaking out to resume the uptrend.
yep,
Now, breaking out of this range would give me an upside target of 28,400.
yep.
But it is noteworthy that the semiconductor, the SOX index, has made new highs already.
Mm.
We've
Oh,
got
my goodness.
8,000,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
8,400 as the upside target. And if you look at the SOX versus a NASDAQ 100, this relative chart has made new highs.
Mm,
Now, this heading's incorrect, but this is SOX versus the MAG 7, right? So basically, semiconductors outperforming the MAG 7.
yep.
If I,
Yeah, I heard the spread has been like historical for a couple of days, right? The intraday spread.
well,
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, if you look at it intraday, but if you look at it on a daily basis, or it depends what you're looking at. I mean, this is SOX versus the MAG 7 is that, that's early stages of a reversal of a 2.5 year downtrend, right?
Mm,
This is, if I look at the MAG 7 index itself, that Bloomberg index, it's been consolidating since November.
oh. Uh,
Relative to S&P, it hasn't
mm,
made new highs, but
yep.
you've obviously, again, it's sort of been this rotation, semiconductors, strongest momentum in tech. But then you've had banks breakout, you've had
Mm,
transports breakout, and you can see the relative outperformance versus S&P. So
I see.
actually, since November, Mag 7 has been underperforming. So the semiconductor, the banks, and transports have been leadership.
I see. I see. Okay. Wow, I didn't expect that because I thought it was still a rotation to tech. Okay, that's very
Well,
helpful.
rotation to
Yeah.
semiconductors within tech,
I
but
see.
else,
Yep.
Mag 7 is not the driver to the upside.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Cool, cool. That's very helpful. Then maybe if you actually have a Max 7 chart and an XLK,
So this is the
yeah.
Mag 7 chart here, right?
Yeah,
This
and
chart on the left.
your thought now is any more upside or is due for a correction first or
Well,
it's
it's
holding
it's
50 days.
currently consolidating, so it's not bearish,
Yeah,
but it's underperforming and it's consolidating.
got it. Got it.
Like I said earlier, about base case is that the, at least the first quarter into the second quarter, the bias is still to the upside.
Yep.
But the message here is that the Mag 7 is not the leadership group that you had off
Anymore.
the April lows. That's you've got semiconductors being the leadership within tech, and then elsewhere you've had banks
Thanks.
breakout, you've had transports
Transport.
breakouts, and
Yep.
you've also had just to scroll down here, small caps breakout.
Yep.
Now, I
Okay.
did do the breakdown. Small caps,
Yeah, I
the
was gonna ask
biggest
about this. Yeah.
the biggest weighting within the small cap index is actually healthcare.
XBI? Oh, right.
And within the healthcare weightings, 11.8% is biotech.
Ah,
And this is the XBR breakout.
but is this a firm breakout? As in because it looks like it's losing a bit of mojo, right? And it's an RSI sell right now.
So this is the monthly chart.
Yeah,
I don't see an RSR sell on when we're looking at the
the
monthly chart.
monthly. Oh, okay. Got it.
So
Got it.
it depends. And I'll go to I think the key thing for me on the monthly charts of both Russell 2000 and XBI is
Yep.
the longer term chart's pretty constructive. I look at the daily chart now.
Mm,
There may be a divergence that's developed on the shorter term chart, but to me, it's probably a correction that you look to buy back into. So yeah, you have had some divergence here. You've pulled back to the 50-day, but this can be, a holding pattern. I wouldn't be too bearish because of the big base breakout here.
Hmm. Okay, got it, got it. Okay, that's helpful. Because of the base breakout, but on a daily basis, that price high is a lower price momentum, right?
Yeah,
Any,
and you've already seen a trading range develop here, right? So
I
yes,
see.
there's the divergence, and you've had an initial correction back to the 50-day. The
Yep.
50 days being where the trend has found support before.
Oh, right. Yeah.
So
Oh, and then it bounced last night. That was why. Okay, makes a lot of
yeah,
sense.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Cool, cool. Can you do me do me a favor, a few taps right now? Just go into tickers. XLK. Uh, Great. So XLK, XLV, then the priority names. Yeah.
What two names do you want here?
Yeah, XLK.
I've got that. I've got XLK and
Yeah,
XLV. I've got
XLV. Then
I've
let's
got
do yeah SXDP. DP. Yeah. Then let's do IHI. Yep. Okay. Cool.
so this is almost identical to Nasdaq. Obviously, is the triangle should resolve to the upside and continue the uptrend. Like I said earlier, the SOX is the leadership within tech, but XLK
Mm.
looks like a classic triangle that should resolve to the upside.
Mm. Okay. That's then XLV.
So you had a high momentum peak. Remember, this base is played out here. You had a high momentum peak, a pullback to the 50-day, and looks like we breaking out of this consolidation pattern to extend the uptrend.
Mm.
Oops.
Oh,
So basically 165 is the next target.
wow. The XLV. Okay. Got it. Got it. This is excellent. Okay. And then SXDP.
Yeah, so maybe not the neatest setup here, but momentum keeps on rising, confirming the move higher.
Uh,
I mean, like I say, I wouldn't have the highest conviction in this range, but to give you an idea,
yeah, yeah,
that volatility basically points to, which
yeah.
coincides with the
The
highs that
1200.
you made in March around 1200, and then obviously you got the
Mm.
previous highs.
I
But I think
I
sort
know.
of the key message here, momentum's still rising, so
Okay, that's good to know. Then IHI. Yeah.
quite a major setup that you've got going here.
Shit.
Clear breakout area now. I'd look for momentum to confirm it, and let's be conservative to start when we look at this range. But basically, breaking through $65
Hmm.
would suggest 72 as the next
Oh my
upside
goodness.
target.
I using this as a short, so I never thought of this. Okay, okay, this is quite amazing. Okay,
Yes, I just
sorry.
watched for close above 65.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, then if you flip back to the first tab, yeah, I forgot DRG. DRG. Okay. Then TPP farm. Yeah, the first guy. And then HS Bio. HS Bio. Yeah.
You want anything else, or
Yeah.
happy with those four?
No. Then let's do Novo. Novo B. Yeah.
So DRG, you can see the base that we had previously. You hit the upside target.
Yeah.
Um, you're trying to break through the
Yes.
2024 highs. but it's lacking momentum at this stage. So for me, that's, the breakout
Mm.
that you had in October's played out. You've got slowing upside momentum and you've got resistance for the
Oh,
2024 highs. So more of a sort of
more
take
correction
profit or
phase.
be a bit cautious on that advance.
I was cautious. Then last night it exploded again, right?
Yeah, I
But
can
but
see
but yeah,
stronger close, but I think that IHI is probably a one that has a greater chance of breaking out, or at least sort of sustaining a breakout where this is sort of more range bound.
I see. Okay, let's see how this one goes. And TPP farm.
I'll let that load. I'll go to HS Bio. I mean, no divergence at the lows, but clearly you've respected and consolidating at the 200-day.
Mm.
And there's a few things here. Breaking above the 50-day, which is that magenta color line, would also, suggest that we break out of this downtrend channel.
Mm.
So it does look like, we set up for a potential breakout here.
I see. Potential breakout. Okay, so you're bullish this one. Yep. Okay, and Novo? Yeah.
Oh no, so just back to TP Farm.
Oh yeah.
Again, if sort of conservative on the measured targets, basically 4,100, but momentum is slowing. So this is sort of probably more in line with DRG that,
Oh,
I mean,
as
there's a little
well.
bit more upside here, but yeah, definitely not with new momentum confirmation.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, it's been this profile where you finally made a divergence.
Yes.
I mean, obviously, if you zoom in here, you've had this short-term tactical head and shoulders here.
Mm. Oh, the
Uh,
reverse head and shoulders. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, so that measures to basically where we are now, or a little bit higher. So to test the 200-day. So you can see now we at a level where 200-day
Is
previous
closing in.
highs is
Yeah.
probably going to give you some hesitation.
Yes, the 400. What exactly is the level again?
Well, there's two,
386.
right?
Yeah,
There's 386, which is a 200-day, and there's 400, which is the highs you made in September.
I see. I see.
Let's
And
play this forward, likely
mm,
to get some hesitation between 386 and 400, get some
yeah,
volatility.
okay.
But a break above 400, you're
Is
talking
huge.
about
Yeah.
50% upside, basically.
Okay. Okay. I
I would
see.
suspect that it takes a bit of time, maybe to hesitate, pull back, consolidate just below that 400 area.
Mm,
But yeah, pay attention to moving through 400.
okay. Cool. And then Lily? Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, I never sort of like a failed breakdown, the risk of a failed breakout, but as long
Mm.
as you hold above 970, 971, there's a potential to get up to that 1280, 1290 area.
Oh
And
my
basic
goodness.
and
Yeah.
basically, the key thing is to hold above that 970 area.
Yeah. Okay. That's fine then. Cool. And we go back to the first tab. Sorry. Yeah. Let's do yeah. MRK. Okay. J and J. Then PFE. Okay. And a BMY. BMY. And the last one is BSX.
So is there any difference in Jonathan's view versus my view so far?
I no, yes, the levels are slightly different. Like Novo is slightly different. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, but it's I would say directionally it's the same. Yeah.
So just some divergence
Hmm.
developing here, so more of a take profit. Also, the measured move from the base is played out.
I see. Ah, okay. This is crazy. This is a biggest miss. Oh, right. Okay, fine. Okay. Then J&J.
So this has met the upside targets.
Yeah, and divergence is forming, right? But it's holding the whatever 50 day, 100 day. Yeah.
Yeah, you've got a divergence already.
Oh, right, right.
Breaking below the 50-day would confirm at least a tactical top.
Oh, wow. So this is more like a sell, right?
Yeah,
But
I mean, I think at the very least you're taking profits and breaking below the 50-day, yeah,
mm,
reinforces the idea you should be reducing.
okay. Then Pfizer, yeah. Pfizer is the dog in the space actually. Yeah.
I mean, there's a few things here. We've obviously broken out of that downtrend,
Mm.
and you've
Broken
got,
out of the downtrend, right? Yeah.
yeah, so that's the downtrend. We've stopped making new lows, and in fact, we've started to make higher lows, higher
Yeah.
highs.
Yeah.
It looks like a triangle's formed here since September, October last year. So
Yeah.
basically breaking above 26.60 would suggest a move up to $30.
Oh, but it's quite weak last night. Went up. It was constantly doing this. But okay, I need to
Well,
break the wedge.
it's a
Yeah.
still part of this consolidation pattern. No, it hasn't broken out. But my point here is that you've been making higher lows since April
Mm.
last year.
Mm. I got it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Cool. And BMY? Yeah.
So you still got an upside target here of 57, 58.
Oh, okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Uh, there's no RSI sell either, right?
Well, momentum is at basically the same level here. You
Mm.
made a new high last night. No, the RSI is not at the same level, but price is rising, RSI is hooked up. So yeah, you don't have a divergence yet.
Mm. Okay, that's fine. Cool. And BSX?
So obviously the longer term trading range, you did or you can see this divergence between the September and the December lows.
Mm.
I mean, this does look like it tries to trade back to the top of the range. Obviously, the mid point of that range being the 50-day and the 200-day does provide initial resistance.
All right. Okay. Got it. Okay. And then the back to the first tab, right? Let's do ISRG. Yep. ABT. Yep. Uh, TMO and DHR. And last one, let's do AMGN. Yeah, that's right. Thank you.
So you had a high momentum peak. You've traced out this consolidation pattern here. Last night you broke out. It's not a major consolidation pattern, but it gives you, another 10% upside.
Oh, what? Okay,
643.
but even the last peak in March is not a resistance level anymore, right? It is still, right?
It is a resistance, but the breakout from this target, that's what the measured target's based
I
on.
see. I see. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. And Abbott? Yeah.
So again, another one which essentially is a trading range.
Oh.
But you've got a tactical base closing above the 200-day, you trade to the top of the range.
Mm. Oh, that's so scary. I'm using it as the hedge. Okay, cool. And then Thermal? Wow, all-time high.
Well, you did close above these previous peaks. Momentum still rising. So yeah, your next resistance zone is closer to 670.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. That's thermal, right? And Danaher?
It's also a messy range. This would be the breakout area. RSI still rising.
Hmm.
You can get confirmation. 50 days
To
basically
two
the key support
255.
that needs to hold. Yeah, so there's two levels on the upside, 257, and then basically that 280, 281 area.
Oh, okay. Okay, got it. Okay. Okay, cool. Amgen? Yeah.
Basically, what I've
Broke out
marked
that
up here is
wedge.
the triangle.
Wow. Really? That makes
uh,
fundamental sense, what?
Yeah,
Wow.
423.
Okay, now no, but now it's closing below the range again, right? Back
Well,
into the range.
it
Yeah.
bounced off the 50-day in the breakout area again.
Oh, okay, okay.
So it looks like we're trying to consolidate the breakout. It looks like you're getting another little wedge or triangle here.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, I see. I see that's the Amgen. Okay, cool. Back to the first tab, right? Can we do AZN, then ROG, ROG, yeah. Then SAN, SAN, yeah. Sanofi. No, yeah, yeah, that's first one. And then the fourth one, let's do um GSK, okay. And the last one is ZEAL, ZEAL. I thought it was exhausted yesterday and it still did a plus 5%. It's just incredulous.
So, I mean, remember two things here, right? The peak here, momentum confirmed it.
Oh, okay.
You pull back to the 50-day,
Yeah,
you reacted quite strongly to that. So it does look like it trades up to the upside target, which is at
6.
14,700
Yeah.
basically.
Wow. Okay, okay. So amazing, this Astra. All right, got it. And Roche? Yeah. RSSL.
I mean, yeah, I can't say, sorry, not really a triangle here, but you did have this wedge, but you've met the upside target already.
Yeah.
Been quite a volatile move. So yeah, this is more of a take profit setup for me.
Okay, got it. I needed a shot. Okay, and Sanofi?
Yeah, not too much here, as in
Is not a buy
we
yet? Yeah, not a buy yet.
don't see anything.
Range bound.
If it pulls back to lower 75s, then it becomes more interesting.
Okay, got it. GSK?
So we've met the upside target.
And the momentum's still rising though. Yeah.
Yeah, so there's potential to reconfirm it. Again, the 50-day has been acting as support. So
Mm. Okay, cool. And then ZIL?
it's actually fairly weak.
Yeah.
At the very least, this is going to test 400.
Oh,
If you break below 400, you basically trade down to 300. So yeah, not a great profile.
okay. Got it. Got it. Surprise. I was trying to bottom fish. Okay, cool. We'll go back to the first
I
tab.
mean, for
Yeah.
400, you can relook to see. I mean, it doesn't look like it'll set up a divergence there, but 400 is next support.
Okay, got it. Okay. And the first tab is BAYN. Yeah. Next tab is ALC. And then let's do Japan. 4568. Yeah. 4578. 4519. Oh yeah, I was gonna add.
And obviously a major base,
Yeah,
basically 50 euros.
just 1 minute. I'm trying to add a bit more of the names on and 6160. Yeah, sorry. Can you say this again? Yeah.
Up $50 is the upside target, or 50 euros, I should say.
Oh, okay. $50. Wow, this is crazy. Okay, cool. And the next one? Alcon? Yeah.
So there was a divergence at the lows.
Yeah.
Obviously broken out of that base. And it looks like we're breaking out of this wedge. So yes, 200A is next resistance. The measured target, gets you closer to 70.
Oh, oh, just breaking out the base. Okay, got it. Okay. And then Daiichi?
Yeah, still hard work for this one to get any traction through 4,000, basically.
Okay. But
It's
that's
pulled
that's
back, but
the five
momentum slowed
bases?
to the downside. So you do
Mm.
have, some support at these three lows, which is 3,200 odd, and then you have, 3,000 itself as another support zone.
Oh, but you're more bearish on this, right, at the moment?
Not, I mean, it's a trading range. It's not broken down, and the downside momentum slowed. So don't think it's unless you're using this as a funding short because it's in a trading range. Directionally, there's not a lot of downside, I don't think.
Okay, got it. Got it. Okay. And then Otsuka? Yeah.
So this you've got two reasons to be taking profits. One, the slowing upside,
Yeah.
and two, the double top resistance going back to the 24 highs.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
I mean, what would sort of call for a more aggressive selling would be a break below the 50-day.
Oh, does it look like not yet, not there yet, right?
Not that you do have the slowing upside. You have bounced off it, but yeah, you didn't really get follow through yesterday.
Oh, okay. This is really okay. And Chugai?
So we obviously testing the major resistance area. No acceleration in upside momentum. So it does look
Yeah.
like we stay range bound here. If
Okay.
anything, it's more take profit at the top of the range.
Mm. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. You're not selling it, right? I
It's a
because I thought
take,
it was
it's a
yeah.
take profit.
Take profit. Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
Cool.
you would need to get it close above 8,400 and momentum trading at 73 or 74 to give you a confirmed breakout.
Got it. Sorry, I was a little bit distracted because the tickets before I even ask you, I should have asked you that before I open. I'm buying some of those in China. But yeah,
Right,
we'll
right.
finish out Japan quickly, right? 4543. Yeah. And then the next one is 4503. Yeah. 4502. Yeah. And then let's do Hungary. Hold on, 1 minute. Hungary is 600,276. Yeah.
You got one more?
Yeah, and then 1801.
So clearly a negative close on this one, but the interesting thing is momentum hasn't confirmed it.
Yeah.
So
What
more
is
of
it?
a
Mm.
cover short bottom fishing buy.
Mm-hmm. You're looking for a bounce, right? And then a
Yeah,
break back
bounce
into the yeah.
back into the range. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So and Estelas? Yeah.
So
This is the most
obviously
bizarre
back at the
thing.
23 highs,
Above
rising
the
again,
23. Yeah.
today, and the RSI is rising. So yeah, we don't have a confirmed divergence yet.
Oh, what an amazing stock.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't have any upside targets, but yeah, until you get a close down to give you a lower RSI, I'm a bit more cautious.
Yeah. Okay. And then the Takeda? Yeah.
Pretty well-defined trading range that you've broken out of. Momentum's confirmed the breakout.
Oh my goodness.
The upside target is
Ah.
53.70.
Okay, fine. I was trying to use it as hedge. Okay. And Hungary? Yeah.
So yeah, the original breakout, like a lot of the Hong Kong, China healthcare names, played out last year.
Yeah.
Interestingly,
Pull
the
back 200
downside
day.
momentum is clearly slowed.
Yes.
So it does look like we unlikely to trade down to 54 would be my first point.
Yes.
The second point would be closing above 63.53 would confirm this as a base and basically reinforce the 200-day as support.
Mm.
This would give you an initial upside target of
Up to 70.
69.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
I suspect in a number of Hong Kong China names, a failed break to the downside, we should trade to the opposite boundary. So besides 69 being the upside target, you can
To
trade back to the
74.
previous highs. Yeah.
Okay, that's very cool.
And
Innovent?
Innolat is quite similar. Innovent, false breakdown, recapturing that range back to 100.
Mm. Okay. Got it. Back to 100. Okay. Then first tab, 3692. Yeah. Then 6160. Then 6990. Yeah. Then 9926. And the last one's 1530. You know what the funny thing about Hungary is? The A share is not following the H at all. But I asked about the H just now, the A just now because we don't have enough history in the H.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Fair enough.
yeah, yeah. This thing didn't even touch during the day.
Yeah, it's a bit of a strange one. Broke out, pulled back, did
Yeah,
drop below the 50-day, but it has bounced off the lower
yeah,
boundary of the triangle, basically. I
yeah.
don't
So it's
have divergence.
mm,
What we're likely developing is probably a higher trading range here.
oh
And that original breakout gets you to $50.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. Got it. That's interesting. B1. Yeah.
So again, another one where the old resistance being support, and this is sort of major support, includes a 200-day, has reacted positively to that.
Mm.
Um, I would say going forward, something to look out for. This could turn into a consolidation that you resolve to the upside, but just be cognizant of the inability to basically get back above this 210, 212
Oh,
area.
that is a triple. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, so that would give you an outline of a more significant top. I think
Yeah.
it's too early to make a
Call it.
strong judgment here because
Yeah.
this could be a triangle that resolves to the upside. But simple message is critical support is at 175.
Okay. Got it. And Cologne? Yeah.
So again, 200-day acted as support. You've bounced off that, but needs to break above 504, 505.
Yeah. Sorry? Say it again. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. I missed out Cologne. Yeah.
Needs to break above 500.
Does it holding at the 200-day, right, with a higher RSI, does it matter a lot?
Sorry, I don't know what you missed, but yes. So sort of the observations here. It's another stock that's respected the 200-day,
Yeah.
is in a consolidation pattern, but needs to break above 500 to
Okay.
resume the uptrend.
Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. And Akiso? Yeah.
So almost identical support at the 200-day, basing or consolidation pattern needs to break above 134.
Yeah.
So both these names are consolidating, slowing downside. Next thing to confirm the resumption of the longer term uptrend is obviously a break above the upper
Yeah.
boundary of the range.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Got it. Okay. And Trieste?
So you have
Oh,
bounced here, but it's important that it actually gets above 26.40.
yeah.
And again, failed break to the downside, recapturing the range, you can trade like an event back to the top of the range at 36 to 37.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's good to know. Okay, cool. And then we flip back to the front tab, right? Then we just do a few more tickets and we're done. 2359, 2269, 2268. Yeah. Sorry, I'm just giving you a few, 300, 760. Yeah, and 6618. Yeah, we're almost done.
So yeah, still a holding pattern, critical support at 98. You have had slowing, yeah, it's slowing upside momentum. You now got slowing downside momentum, but clearly a trading range. Yeah.
I see. I see. Okay, so there's not that exciting. And Wuxi Bio?
Well, I mean,
Yeah.
I think this slowing downside, the fact that 200 days coming through, it does look like limited downside, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Because this is expensive. We're more keen on this one. Yeah.
Um, so there was it's not the clearest divergence, but you did get some slowing downside. Again, simple message is 200 days acting as support, previous highs. So you have good support at 28 to $30.
Yeah.
But a lot like a Kiso and a few of the others,
Yeah.
where does this get constructive is essentially
Breaks
breaking
above.
above 35.
All right. Okay. Then XDC.
So not a divergence here, which is interestingly, uh, 200 days still support. You have recaptured the prior lows at
Uh-huh.
64, but
Yeah.
Wishy Bio looks a bit more constructive as far as a consolidation and a reversal goes.
Okay. Then Shenzhen Mine Ray.
Yeah, so divergence here looks like we trying to recapture 203 with an immediate target of back to the 200-day and a mean reversion setup.
Oh
So kind of
wow.
pushing by.
Yeah. Okay. And the last one?
Yeah, so another one where we've basically had a failed breakdown. We've recaptured the range. You're above the 50-day momentum,
Yeah.
still recovering. So yeah, potential to get back to $70.
Oh, wow, that's very impressive. Okay, cool. And then last one, just need one number. 83, actually where's micropod? Hold on. 83 838. 853. 853. 853. Yeah, then that's all.
Yeah, so another one. So many look like this. You've consolidated around the 200-day. There's a divergence there. So the next thing to get a breakout is a move through 1180.
1180, right? Okay,
Yeah,
sorry.
1180, 1183, basically
Yeah.
the previous highs. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Lawrence, I actually one more ticker, right? I just want to check the Hungry H 1276 because this one's acting on its own now. Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, not enough info about any levels or how come the A share is not following
Yeah, I mean, you got a sort of big divergence in CATL, A and H.
as well, right?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
that's
So,
very strange. Yeah, so this thing's up like four. That's an 8% premium. Crazy bugger. Yeah.
um,
Oh, it's the first one to break out of the
well, if you can break above 77, you'll get a breakout of that trading range, and you'll basically get an upside target of 85.
85. Well, sorry. Oh, okay, okay. Just by calculation, not say to the highs, right? To 90.
No, no, I mean it's based on this trading range that you formed here.
Yeah,
Yes, the prior highs will be a resistance, but it's based on this trading range.
yeah. Okay, great. Thank you so much for your help today,
No
Lawrence.
problem.
You have a
Okay,
good day, all right? All right,
you
have a good
too.
year ahead. Thank you.
Yeah, you
Take
too.
care.
Cheers. Bye.
Bye-bye.